Sanura Education presents The Sound of Strings. The violin, viola, cello, and string bass are members of the string family. Although their shapes are similar, their sizes vary from small to very large. The string instruments are usually bowed. The sound is produced by drawing a bow across the strings. The pitch is low if the string is long and heavy, higher if the string is shorter and lighter. Listen for the instruments of the string family in these pieces. Thank you for watching. With regards, Sanura Education.